Hi, welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make Elies Tsakistes. Elies Tsakistes are traditional Greek Cypriot olive that are balanced perfectly with the heat from garlic and the cooling sourness of crushed coriander seeds. Lemon adds a sour freshness that lifts everything up, and if you get the salt right, you'll be licking your fingers after each olive. So let's get started. The olives I'm using are the ones from my Elies trees in Cyprus. My dad picked them last October and he cracked each one with a stone, making sure that he didn't actually crack the gokona. Gokona is the seed inside, and then he soaked them in a big tub of water every day, kept changing it for about a week to get rid of all the bitterness, and then he made a brine after the week out of salt and water and left them to soak there for weeks and weeks and weeks. But if you're going to follow, if you've got fresh olives and you're going to follow all these steps, make sure that you leave them to soak for at least 3 weeks before you actually season them to make Elies Tsakistes. If you can't find fresh green olives, you can also make them with normal green olives, you know, the ones you get in the supermarket. Just make sure you use the olives with the gokona, the seed, in your Elies, because if you get the ones that are already pitted, they're all like rubbery and they don't taste nice, and you're not going to get the crack of the, you know, when the crack inside where the flavour is going to go into it. And you like to have, when you have the, what's it called, if you have the gokona, the pip inside, when you bite into it, you can, like, you're peeling off the flavour, and it's the whole experience of actually peeling with your teeth the olive is like fantastic. So make sure if you're making them with the ones bought from the shops, if they're not fresh, get the olives, green olives with the seed, gokona. The word for the day, Greek word gokona, pip, seed, whatever you call the bit in the middle. Right, so let's get started. To 500 grams of green olives, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and give it all a good stir. Then squeeze the juice of half a lemon and add the rinds. I'll taste test later to see if they need more. Oh, look at this one still on the stalk, cute. Now add in 2 cloves of garlic that have been thinly sliced for some heat and stir them in. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of crushed coriander seeds. These will cool down the heat of the garlic, and their sourness will complement the sourness of the lemon and bring another dimension of lemoniness. Then in with some salt, stir again and then taste. I like my Elies Tsakistes to be lemony, so I'm going to add the rest of my lemon juice to lift up all the flavours, but I'm not going to add the rinds because too much lemon rind will make everything taste bitter. And then what you have to do is taste test everything to see how you like it, and then adjust the flavouring or the seasoning as you go. With this, these are fantastic. Good. The best olives, these and Galamada olives. Fantastic. I'll leave my recipe on my website ggmixblog.com, and I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and use it as a guide. But just remember that every olive, garlic, clove, lemon is differently sized, so don't be afraid to experiment and adjust the amount to your preference. These are Elies Tsakistes are great eating on their own, or like, you know, when I'm just walking past in the fridge and want some taste, some flavour in my mouth, I'll just go in the fridge, take one out. Or I also like to eat them with some crusty sourdough bread, some tomatoes, some cucumbers, and they're also fantastic as a side to meat, fish, souvlaki, gleftigo, fasolia. You name it, you can have them as a side with it. If you'd like to see these recipes that I've mentioned, I'll leave a link to them below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!